is a wow. Look at the bottle, you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing good in your lives. Today's video is going to be a product empties video. Obviously you would have seen from the title, and these are the products that I have emptied in the month of March and April, and I want to say somewhat May. And I just want to let you guys know that yeah, I didn't upload for a very long time. The last video that you saw of the Indulekha shampoo was kind of pre-filmed, and I didn't want to post it initially because the times were not so good. I didn't feel like posting anything to YouTube and pretend like everything is all right and come with another review video for you guys. तो वो मैंने किया नहीं, and well, then I fell a victim to COVID, and the whole month of May, like half the month of May went in COVID and the other half of May went in recovering from COVID. I'm totally fine now, as you can see, and it's great to be filming back because I think I'm filming after almost 2.5 months maybe. So it's a little weird feeling, when you take a long break and then you come back to film. It's a little weird feeling as well, but I'm enjoying this part. So without further ado, let's start with the product empties. So these are March, April, and maybe one or two products might be from the month of May as well, because May तो कुछ यूज़ ही नहीं हुआ, वो पूरा मेरा बीमारी में और रिकवरी में गया, तो कुछ खास यूज़ नहीं हुआ है. But I'm including this month just because it's doesn't hurt. Alright, so I'm going to start with this product first. This is the Indulekha Bringa hair cleanser. I have a whole review video on this product. The link will be in the description box if you want to check it out, and I think you must check it out. So in a nutshell, I'll just tell you that if you are suffering from hair fall problem and want something that will control your hair fall at least while you're showering, this is an amazing shampoo. It controls hair fall while you're showering, तो कम से कम बाल टूट के गिरते हैं. And basically it's just a good shampoo to control hair fall, because this is Ayurvedic medicine. It's not exactly a beauty shampoo, so it actually works. So yeah, I have purchased this multiple times and I will always keep buying it. I use it about once or maybe twice a week depending on what my hair condition is. Like अभी rainy season में मेरे बाल ज़्यादा गिरेंगे, so I will use it more often. And जब मेरे बाल कम गिरते हैं, या in the winter season when this actually doesn't really do the best to the hair, I use it less number of times. The only downfall of this shampoo is that this kind of dries your hair, so you need to use a very heavy conditioner or a serum or a hair mask जब आप ये shampoo apply करें. But this doesn't have any hair softening agents, so it kind of dries the hair when you shampoo. So if you already have dry hair and you use this, you must use a hair mask or a heavy conditioner after that. That's that. So the next product is a conditioner. This is by Streaks. This is the Argan Secrets Color Protect conditioner, enriched with argan oil and UV filter. So this is how it looks. I bought this from Nykaa. इसका shampoo and conditioner दोनों मैंने Nykaa से खरीदे हैं. I think the shampoo is still in the shower. I think of all the products that I'm going to show you, probably this is the only product that I did not like, and I'm probably not going to buy this again. The reason is that even though it says it has argan oil, it somehow just dries my hair. I don't know, it doesn't suit my hair. So this is not something I reached out for a lot of times. Yes, I have finished this because obviously पैसे खर्च किए हैं, तो we have to use it. I just can't throw things away. It's just, I don't know, it didn't suit my hair. My hair felt drier after using this, so I thought that the L'Oreal Color Protect shampoo, the red bottle one, I think that does an amazing job. Other than that, I did not till date find any Color Protect shampoo in particular that actually works for my hair. Streaks is really known for their hair products, but this one not for my hair. Speaking of hair care, the next product is the Kesh King Ayurvedic scalp and hair oil. This is again an anti-hair fall oil, and this oil is actually good. It works to control hair fall if you use it diligently. अब आप कोई चीज़ अगर एक बार लगा के उसको छोड़ देंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. You have to use it on a continuous basis for it to show results and for you to see the results. So this actually is a really good hair oil. You just have to apply it on the scalp. पूरे बालों पे भी लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and leave it overnight, and it works, you know, मतलब at least मुझे तो नज़र आया that it works. It might be in because together I'm using this and this, तो you know फ़र्क पड़ता है बालों पे. But yeah, this is a good hair oil. अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा बाल गिर रहे हैं and you're looking for a good hair oil to control hair fall, try this one out. This also claims to grow new hair. I'm not too sure about that, but yes, it definitely controls hair fall. The next hair product is this one. This is the Indulgio Essentials Luxuriant Hair Vitalizer. इसकी पैकेजिंग कुछ ऐसे आती है. I already have the one that I'm using currently. This is obviously over. So this is how it looks. This is a luxuriant hair vitalizer, and this is meant to, for the overall hair health, like, you know, reduce hair fall, grow new hair, improve the hair quality, the texture, the overall hair का जो quality है ना वो improve करने के लिए this is made. It's a good product. I feel it's a product which is not necessarily an essential in your hair care system, but if you need a good hair maintenance product तब आप इसे ट्राई कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये अच्छा है. कुछ खास नुकसान नहीं के देता है बालों को, साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं है ना, ये बालों को ड्राई करता है ना, हेयर फॉल आता है ना और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज इंक्लूड दिस प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक दिस इन योर हेयर केयर रिजीम जस्ट फॉर हेयर मेंटेनेंस. नॉट अ मस्ट हैव बट a good to have product. Okay, the next is a shower gel or a body wash. This is the Roop Mantra Neem body wash. That's what it looks like. Now this one is packed with goodness. It has neem, it has pudina, it has tulsi, it has honey. It's good in the summertime, and I used to use this when I used to have like skin itching problem मुझे होती थी, तो नहाने के time I would use this. So it's a good shower gel that way. If you need to try this, if you have skin rashes या ऐसा कुछ and you need something in your shower that will help with that problem, definitely check this one out. I don't think I'm going to buy this again just because I like to have little luxurious and good smelling products in my shower when I'm taking a shower. Next is a body deodorant. This is Secret Temptation body deodorant, and this is in the fragrance Passion, and that's what that looks like. Now this one is a good deodorant. I have another one from Secret Temptation. It's a purple color bottle. It's right there. I don't know the fragrance, but that one is better than this one. This is also good, but if I have to get a choice, I will definitely buy the purple one. It's a long lasting fragrance, and fragrance is on a high, you could say higher side. काफी long lasting है, strong है, everything that I need in a deodorant, this one has it. So I like it, but between the two I prefer the purple one. Just that. But if you want to try, this one is a good one. Ooh, I have one more hair care product. This is a wow. Look at the bottle, you guys. I mean, what the hell is this? This bottle has been totally squeezed up, used up, like इसकी जान निकल चुकी है. Like, this is done. This bottle is done. But this is the Wow Argan hair oil. Moroccan Argan hair oil. I have a whole review on this hair oil as well on my channel. I'll link it down below for you guys. This is a good hair oil, honestly. My husband used it. I used it. It keeps the hair soft, nourishes the hair. Not in particular a hair fall control hair oil. Obviously, neither do they claim this to be hair fall control one. So, अगर आप एक nice, अच्छा cold pressed oils ढूंढ रहे हैं, so definitely check this out. The only thing is this bottle just becomes like this. Then I have a scrub from Vanya Herbals. This is the Anar Shine Pomegranate Scrub. That's how the packaging looks like of Vanya Herbals. And that's how the scrub looked like. And it's a good all natural face scrub. Smells also all natural. There is Vanya Herbals don't make anything that is artificially made or chemically derived. No, these are all naturally made. So this is a pomegranate scrub, and it has very nice texture to it. I don't know if you can see the texture here properly, but this is how the scrub looks like. And I've used it on my face, and it exfoliates the skin very nicely and gives a nice glow to the face and everything. Currently, I'm not using any physical exfoliators on my skin because I have switched to chemical exfoliators. So that's the reason why I'm not going to buy not just this, but any other physical exfoliators. So, but if you're looking for a natural physical exfoliator for your face that does not have chemicals or any artificially derived ingredients in it, definitely check out the Vanya Herbals products. In general, they are good. I have 2 bottles of vitamin C that I've used up. This is from the brand Recast, and this is their 20% vitamin C. So I have both of these, and obviously I have bought this again. It's a great vitamin C. It has glutathione, it has hyaluronic acid, and it has aloe vera extract. And the vitamin C in this is L-ascorbic acid, which is the most potent vitamin C, and it has 20% L-ascorbic acid, so it gives very nice results in terms of your skin, texture improving, pigmentation fading and everything. So already you can see I've used 2 of them. Even my husband uses this and he loves this. He doesn't want to use any other vitamin C, so this is the one that I keep buying for him right now, because I've switched to minimalist vitamin C. So this is a good vitamin C. If you're looking for a 20% L-ascorbic acid vitamin C, definitely check out Recast. And this is very affordable. It's for $4.99 and you can often get it at discount at $4.50, $400 even. So yep, definitely if you want a good vitamin C at 20%, Recast is the one that I would recommend. Alright, the next is Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Hydrating Essence, and that's what the bottle looks like. Now this one is supposed to give you that pearly shine and everything. I threw its outer carton. This is a good serum. It has vitamin E, it has niacinamide in it, and this is how it comes. It comes with a nice pump and then you take it out like this. So it's a good serum. It gives a nice glow to the face and a nice sheen to the face. Love it absolutely, and definitely going to buy this again. Currently also I'm using another Olay serum, so when that serum gets over, definitely I'm going to buy this again. So I would recommend you to check this one out. Next is a sunscreen from Biotique. This one is a really old packaging. If you can see, I think they have changed the packaging of this one. This is the Biotique Bio Sandalwood 50 SPF 50 UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion. This is a good sunscreen. I liked it. It does have SPF 50, let's not forget that, and it also has UVA and UVB filters, which is pretty much what we need. And these days when we are not actually stepping out in the sun, you can use this, because, you know, like I said, sunscreen is very important, especially if you're on retinoids or you're using any actives or any acids in your skincare. So sunscreen is very, very important. Next is the Nykaa Lip Crush Macaroon Lip Balm. This is in the flavor chocolate hazelnut, and it's a yummy lip balm. Love it. It's very moisturizing, keeps the lips soft, and of course the flavor is amazing. You can see मैंने पूरा खा लिया है lip balm, like literally मैंने चाट लिया है. Next I finished the Dr. Sheth's Date and Quinoa eye cream that looks like this. This is a good eye cream, you guys. It's a very, very smooth texture. It moisturizes your under eyes like anything, and if you just need an eye cream to moisturize your under eye area and all, definitely this is good. And this is made especially for Indian skin, so it is even better, reducing the dark circles and fine lines and everything. And it actually, I feel, works also, because I've used the whole tub of it, so थोड़ा effect मैंने देखना शुरू कर दिया था. Then I switched to another eye cream, so definitely I'm seeing some effects, but you know, you need to obviously continue using this to see a full effects. So this one is a good eye cream. It's, I think, for 550 or 600 rupees. थोड़ी सी costly है given the amount you're getting, but you're getting again all natural products, especially made for the Indian skin. And I would recommend you to check this eye cream out. If you are a fan of eye creams and you love to keep trying different eye creams, definitely check this out. I finished 2 Olay anti-aging creams. This one is the Regenerist Whip Anti-Aging Day Cream, and this one is the Regenerist Anti-Aging Advanced Night Cream. इसका रिव्यू मेरे चैनल पे है, लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इसका रिव्यू मैंने नहीं किया है. आई वांटेड टू रिव्यू इट, बट यू नो पहले ही ख़त्म हो गई. But it's a very, very good day cream. Again, it's a very lightweight because it's whip, and it blends into the skin well, it soaks into the skin well, and it's got a good texture. Again, it's got niacinamide in it, and it's got other good ingredients as well. I just throw the outer carton, so I never really know the ingredients, except I remember niacinamide in it. Anyway, it's got good ingredients in it. I will do a full review of this cream when I buy it again, and definitely I'm going to buy this again. इसका तो मैंने पूरा review किया ही हुआ है channel पे, आप देख सकते हैं. So it's a good night cream. It's a matte finish night cream. This one is good, but because it's a little matte for my liking, I would not buy this again, because I just prefer a little dewy and a nice cream. This is a little mattifying, so it's great for oily skin. But if you're on a dry skin side, it will moisturize, but again it'll be like a matte thing on the surface, which I'm not a huge fan of. That's why I just don't want to buy this again. You know, I would rather have creams that are, you know, giving me a nice dewy finish, or I'll use a facial oil. So that's the reason I won't buy it again, but it's a good cream nevertheless. Then I finished the Mamaearth Cocoa face wash. This is for skin awakening with cocoa and coffee. Again, I have first impressions of this product on my channel. The link will be in the description box again. It's a good face wash. It's a little drying to the skin, but if you can get past that, it really gives good results. It actually brightens the skin, clarifies the skin, and just, you know, awakens you, because it has coffee in it. So, you know, that smell is itself like awakening and really nice, refreshing one, but it does dry the skin. If I want to try a coffee face wash again, I would probably buy this. If not, then, you know, it's not really a very I am dying to have this product kind of in my life situation, so I'm okay without this also. And if I need to buy a coffee face wash, maybe I'll buy it again. And the last product in today's is this is a Bath & Body Works mahogany teak wood candle, and you can still see the candle is, wow, you guys, I swear, Bath & Body Works, the moment you open the lid, candle or no candle, you get the fragrance. I still have about this much of candle left, which I can scrape out and use somehow, because the wicks don't burn now, so it's useless to try the wicks. I want to do a review of this candle because a lot of you have been asking me to review candles, and I thought that's an interesting thing to do, because when I did my candle haul, I did not know कि आप में से इतने सारे लोग interested होंगे candles में. I just did it like that. But since you want to know, so I'm going to keep this and review this for you guys and let you know in details. But yes, you guys know I'm a fan of candles. And I'm a fan of fragrance candles. This one is also fragranced. So yeah, I love candles, and I love to have you know, fragrance candles in my room, in my hall, and Bath & Body Works is definitely on top of the list. They are expensive, yes, but you get your money's worth out of it, trust me. So absolutely love it. ज़रूर कमेंट करिए, ज़रूर लाइक करिए इस वीडियो को, एंड शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. If you want them to watch my content, please share this video as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this one. I will see you again in my next one. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.